Hey main characters, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jada. I'm someone who makes a lot of lifestyle content, soft life content. So if you're leveling up, you're at the right place. So go ahead and hit subscribe and like this video. Everybody like this video. So as y'all know, I am on my journey of becoming her, and I will be posting every day until I become her. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be meal prepping for dinner for the next 3 days and also make dinner for tonight. So come along with me and let's make dinner, and then I might, just might, go out for DoorDash later. We got the rice boiling. I'm actually going to lower the fire now that it's boiling. Us Gen Z like to cook everything on super high. Like, what's going on with that? I also got to clean this stove. Also, I did go ahead and make the string beans. Yeah, so we'll see how it's gonna come out just when the rice is ready. I did go out and get some roastery chicken to go with the string beans and rice. So it's always good to have a balanced meal. So this is how everything turned out. I'm very proud of how it came out. And this is tonight's dinner. Ooh, looks so good. So yummy. Hey guys, so I'm actually about to go out and do DoorDash like I said. I'm just gonna put on my glasses. I know you guys see me a lot talking to you guys without glasses, but I actually really need them because from far I can't see. All right, I think we're all ready to go. Have my water and let's go. Okay y'all, I just delivered my last DoorDash delivery, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. Thanks for watching and remain main characters every day.